good morning. What's up, everybody? Hope everyone's having an amazing day, weekend, morning, night, whatever it is. Today is a pretty busy day. I have to go to about 9 or 10 locations. Hopefully, it's already 9:41 a.m. and I have till 4 p.m. to complete the route. And I will have to make a Sam's pit stop later on in the day, like always, because what's a day without a Sam's trip? All right, first location, let's go. All right, couple selections missing. Good to see. Alright, so that was the first time I collected from that location. I placed that machine 2 weeks ago, and I guess it was pretty good for 2 weeks. It could do better for sure. But this next location we're going to, I also placed last week. So, no, 2 weeks ago. So, first collection from this one as well. Just arrived at location number 2. First time collecting, see how it does. Just left the second location. They said it was having problems, like it took some lady's dollar and gave her like 50 cents and she didn't even get a chip or anything. She didn't get a selection. So I'm not sure what that could have been. My only thought was maybe she chose a wrong selection. I don't know. But anyways, this is what we collected from it. Not too fat, maybe like 20-25 bucks. Alright, so this is the third location. It's around lunchtime, so the teachers might be on lunch break in the lunchroom, or I mean in the teacher's lounge. So I don't know how much I'll be able to film. If I can, I will, but if not, I will show you guys the money when I get back in the car. Alright, this is the last location I went to, the one that I didn't film in. This is a 1 week collection. Not that good. I mean, I'd say it's about maybe 20 bucks. But I'll get the totals later on in the video. Alright, so I just left Sam's Club. I figured you guys have seen enough vendors go through Sam's Club to know what Sam's Club looks like, so I didn't film in there. Yeah, we're heading to location number 4 now. Oh yeah, also I spent $202 exact. 202. So yeah, just keep that in mind. Went into that location. I didn't film inside again because there's teachers. And this was that location. A little bit better. And that was 2-week collection. So on to the next one. Alright, so as you guys can probably tell, that machine was pretty much sold out. That was 1 week, and this is what it looks like. Pretty good 1 week, probably the best collection of the day so far. I still have, let's see, that was my 5th location, so I still have 4 more locations to go. And it's 2:35 right now. It's gonna be a time crunch. Hopefully we make it. So let's go to location number 6. So we didn't get to 9 locations today, which sucks. We only got to 6 actually, but I'm gonna hit up those other 3 locations tomorrow. Well, I'll try and hit 9 tomorrow. I'll give you guys the totals in a little bit, and I'll count up all the money, and we'll see how we did for the day. Alright guys, it has been a couple of hours since I went to my last location. It's currently 1 in the morning, and I'm about to count some money because I had to take a quick break to watch the Astros game, and they lost, unfortunately. But they're going to come back in the next one, and it's going to be all good, and the Astros are going to win the World Series. So with that being said, Alyssa's here with me, and she's going to help me count up the money, and we're going to get you the totals. Alright, so this is the first location. It was a 2-week collection, actually. So we'll count it up. Alright, so location number 1 was a 2-week collection, and it did $40.40. Alright, this is location number 2, and it's an elementary school in the teacher's lounge, and it was a 2-week collection. We're going to see how much it is. It's only dollars, no coins. So the second location was $34. Alright, this is the 3rd location, and it was a 1-week collection. The 3rd location did $33.60. All right, this is location number 4, and that is a 2-week collection. 4th location did $43.05. This is location number 5, and this was a 1-week collection. See how she did. Alright, location number 5 was the best one so far. It did $84.40 in just 1 week. This is the 6th location. It was only $4 because the bill acceptor wasn't taking dollars at the time, but now it's fixed. Alright, and the very last location of the day was a 1-week collection, and we did $37.15. So yeah, we're gonna add it all up and see how much we made today off of 6 locations. Okay, this is what it looks like after 6 collections. Got a stack of money there, got some coins in there, good amount of coins, good amount of money, and...
Guess how much you made. I already added it.
You got it together?
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna guess 250. More?
Lower.
Lower?
Okay, guess in the comments.
Guess in the comments. $238 is what we made today off of 6 locations. Some of them being 2 week, some of them being 1 week. So yeah, that's not a very good collection at all, but I mean, some locations do that in 1 week, just off of 1 location. It took me 6 to get 230, and I spent $200 on products today at Sam's. But I probably only used like 100 for today, and I have a lot of leftovers, so tomorrow I probably won't even have to go to Sam's Club. I'll be hitting up more locations tomorrow and the next days. So yeah, stay tuned. Hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. It's free, which is awesome, and it helps me out a lot. And yeah, keep going out there, hustling, chasing your dreams, and get after it.